We're a few weeks away from the official announcement of the Galaxy S24 series, but you don't have to wait that long to get the scoop on Samsung's upcoming flagship phones. Today, leaked images surfaced showcasing all the color options for the Galaxy S24 lineup along with their official specifications. Now we've got some exciting news regarding the launch date of the Galaxy S24 series. Renowned leakster Ivan Blass recently shared an image on X platform, unveiling when exactly we can expect the launch of these devices. According to this leaked image, mark your calendars for January 18, 2024 at 3 a.m., as that's when the next Galaxy Unpacked event is set to take place. Enough there's also a mention of Galaxy Eye is coming in that image. This suggests that Samsung will be introducing a suite of AI-powered features with their flagship series. Additionally, if we look closely at the Invite's animated sparkles emoji, it seems reminiscent of Google Bard, which could indicate that similar Bard-like features might make their way into Samsung's Galaxy S24 smartphones. Undoubtedly, AI will take stage, be a major talking point for the highly anticipated S24 series. The Galaxy S24 series phones, powered by either the Exynos 2400 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processors, are anticipated to bring AI capabilities. These include language translation, during phone calls converting voice to text for up to 10 individuals in voice recordings, text conversion and summarization in Samsung Notes for both typed and handwritten content, image enlargement, wallpaper generation, and other exciting features. Now talking about the leak, which reveals all three phones in the lineup in all their colors in even clearer images. The complete lineup will be launched in 4 color variants each, while each of them may have additional colors that may be available exclusively through Samsung's online store. Let's have a look at those colors. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will come in 4 colors: black, purple, white, and yellow. Both phones seem to have consistent bezels around the screen. At the back, they appear to have a triple camera setup. According to a source named Arsene Lupin, who shared these images on X platform, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available in black, gray, violet, and color options. Nowadays, it seems like everyone is talking about artificial intelligence. It has become the trend in the tech industry that's on the rise. We have already witnessed some applications of AI technology on devices. However, in the coming year, with the launch of flagship phones in 2024, AI is expected to make an impact. Samsung is set to lead this charge with its Galaxy S24 series scheduled for unveiling next month. While some Chinese competitors have already released flagship devices powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset for years' market dominance, Samsung aims to offer a truly global Android flagship for 2024. The Korean giant has also been emphasizing its focus on intelligence lately by highlighting all the AI features incorporated into their custom Exynos 2400 chipset that will be utilized in the Galaxy S24 series. Some markets may also receive the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 models. We've already witnessed Qualcomm showcasing AI capabilities enabled by their latest chipset. Now for those excited, we're going to run through the full specs design and the price for each model in this 24 series to help you guys decide which one is right for you. Now for my regular viewers, you guys have seen this, so just skip to the next video, but if you're new here, then hit subscribe button for future updates too. Now we'll get right into it. The standard Galaxy S24 is coming with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get a resolution of 2340 by 1080, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panels protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 50 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto, and of course it's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in South Korea and USA. While European users are going to be getting the Exynos 2400, we get 8 gigs of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256 gig storage, and this is going to be a US 4.1. It comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and while having a 25 watts fast charging. We do know that we're getting 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $850 to $900, and that's going to be in February 2024. Now next up, we've got the Galaxy S24 Plus with a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. We get an upgraded Quad AT Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, and it's going to be using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel, and again protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 with an Armor Aluminium 2.0 protection. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies, then on the rear again, it's a 50 megapixels primary, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. It's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in South Korea and USA, and again Europe users are going to get the Exynos 2400, and again we get 12 gigs of RAM, then the choice of 256 or 512 gig storage, which will be UFS 4.1. It comes with a 4,900 mAh battery, while having 45 watts fast charging, and again we get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 7. It's coming with One UI 6 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from about $1,050. Now finally, we've got the most premium, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. With this 24 Ultra, we got a 6.8 in 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It's got a resolution of 3088 by 1440, and again, it's using Samsung's new M13 OLED panel protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. We get a 12 megapixels punch hole camera for the selfies. Then on the rear, it's a 200 megapixels primary camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, we get a 50 megapixels 3x telephoto, as well as a 10 megapixels telephoto with 10 times optical zoom. Despite previous rumors it's going to be powered up by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all regions, and it's only this 24 and this 24 Plus that is still going to be using the Exynos, and with this 24 Ultra, we get up to 12 gigs of RAM with the choice of 256 or 512 gig storage, and this is of course UFS 4.1. It comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, and while having 45 watts fast charging, and we're also going to get 5G, Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi 7. Now it's coming with One UI 6 based on Android 14, and it's expected to launch from $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra brings a fresh design with more strength and much brighter display. On top of upgraded hardware and lots of new A features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all models of the Ultra feels like a good move from Samsung, and with upgrades across the whole lineup, it should see plenty of success. Now, because of the similarities to the predecessor, though it's probably not going to make anyone with an S23 Ultra rush for an upgrade, but for anyone with an older S phone or looking to get their first S phone, then it's going to be a great choice. Now, of course, being so close to launch, more and more details are going to continue to come in, and I'm going to be sharing them as soon as they do. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, how do you like these new official images and the specs of the upcoming S24 lineup? Share it down below in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.